Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DraftKings how to redeem crowns. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is download the latest version of the sportsbooks or casino mobile app. Now once you have downloaded it, what you need to do is log in to the sportsbook or casino mobile app. Then the second step is to tap on the rewards option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now once you have done that, step 3 is to tap on my rewards. Now step 4 is to tap on redeem now next to your crown balance, and then step 5 is on the redeem your crowns pop-up, tap DK dollars. Now once that's done, slide to select how many crowns you like to redeem, and then once you are satisfied, tap on redeem. Now once you tap on redeem, you will be asked to confirm it. Then simply tap on confirm, and once you tap on confirm, all you gotta do is tap on OK, and that's basically how you can redeem crowns on DraftKings. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.